Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable or disable side sounds on Opera GX. Now if you want to make it possible, because normally sites play sounds like audio, music and stuff to make it more interesting and interactive. But if you do not want this to happen, it's quite simple. All you have to do is open up settings. I like using the N and the keyboard keys to open up the settings, and then I scroll all the way down to site settings, click on it and scroll down until you see additional content settings, and you click on the louder points down and you can see sound. Click on it. Now once you're here, because normally sites write play sound to provide audio for music, videos and other media, but if you want sites to be able to play sound, leave this turned on. If you do not want to allow sites to play sound, click on this. But note that means that any feature that needs sound will not work. So hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.